We like to compare your Dynamics 365 Business Central project with designing, building, and moving into a house. There's all sorts of things you can do with Business Central, and a different Microsoft partner might tell you anything is possible. But of course, not only does this come at a cost, but it also introduces complexity. Complexity is what we use to categorize our projects here at CPIT. We use a straight line scale from 0 to 7 to outline what Business Central can technically deliver. 0 is super simple, 7 is super complex. We'll always aim to deliver as low a complexity level as possible, and we won't take on your project if it can't be delivered at level 5 or below. The ones our Panda saw would be a strong 7. Combined with our approach of going ahead with the minimal viable project for your business, we'll also assign your project a level of complexity. This will be based on the packs of functionality that you choose. So for example, if you chose our Starter Pack and Sales Basic, you'll get a project complexity of 1. This is a bit like building a starter home. It might be just what you need. Or you might choose just a couple more of our packs to suit your business processes and company requirements. Our Jobs Pack, for example, if you do project accounting. This might bump your project complexity up to a level 3. One thing we want to make really clear at this point, the process of choosing the packs is very important as it sets the scope for your project. There's a lot of things that are specifically not included in scope. You should assume if we've not mentioned it as in, then it's out. Just like building a new home, if you don't tell the architect otherwise, you'll get their spec for fixtures, fittings, and materials. So please tell us if something is important to you. There's a reason CPIT Inc. is so price competitive, and that's because we do the same specification each time on our level 1 to 3 complexity projects. So now you've settled on your design, it's going to be awesome. Time to get started with building it. This is where we start implementing your project. From the date you sign your contract, you should have a kickoff call with our consultants within a week. From there, we'll set the dates for other key milestones in the project. Data templates, testing, training, and go live will all be agreed with you. For level 1 complexity project, this could be as little as 2 weeks, normally 4. For a level 5 complexity project, this will take up to 12 weeks. There's often more work to do by us and you. Once the dates have been agreed, we'll start work. Sometimes the next deadline will be on us, for example, to set up the Business Central environment. Other times it'll be on you, for example, showing to us that you're testing the system properly. Up to a level 3 complexity, you'll have a consultant checking in with you along the way to make sure things are running smoothly. Once you're at a level 4 or above, there'll be a project manager assigned to your project. Because these projects have more moving parts, our PMO team get involved to keep the project on track. After a few weeks, we'll be done building and you'll be done testing. It's time to go live and move into your new system. There will be some more intense hand-holding after go live, and this will again be increased with a more complex project. And just like moving house, there may be some snagging issues. We'll book some time with you to go through these and make them right. And that's it! You're live and happy using your new system. Don't forget though, we're massive advocates of MVP. A simple, less complex project that's a level 1, 2, or 3 will go live faster and will be cheaper. You can dream big, but start small. Just like our Panda friends. We will work with you to rapidly deploy extra levels of complexity if you need them. It's easier to work out what you want once you already have your new system. So to summarize, keep it simple. Low complexity leads to high success and gives you a minimal viable product system that can grow as you grow.